There are times that our phone will play a notification unexpectedly, only to find out that it is on silent mode. This issue is happening currently with iPhone 12 as reported by its users. If you are one of those experiencing a problem on iPhone 12 notifications play in silent mode, then watch this video. In this video, we will show you how to fix your iPhone 12 that plays notifications in silent mode. First solution: force restart your iPhone 12. When issues occur on our devices, we tend to neglect the process of restarting it. This simple solution often cures a lot of system issues on smartphones, and this is the first thing that we should be whenever our phone starts acting up or when we face issues while using our device. It refreshes the phone's system and may clear the notification problems. Press and quickly release the volume up button. Then press and quickly release the volume down button. Finally, press and hold the side/power button until the Apple logo appears. Once the phone has restarted, test if the notification still plays when the iPhone 12 is on silent mode. Second solution: adjust the notification sound volume on your iPhone 12. The ringer or silent switch function might have been disabled by a system issue, and that is the reason why your iPhone 12 still plays notification sound even when that is activated. To rectify this problem, you can manually adjust the notification volume through the phone settings menu. From the home screen, tap Settings. Go to Sounds and Haptics. Adjust the volume of the shutter sound with the ringer and alert slider. To avoid accidental changes, disable the Change with Buttons option. The volume of the ringer and alerts will not be affected by the volume buttons. Once that is configured properly, test if the issue has been rectified. Third solution: reset all settings on your iPhone 12. There are times that misconfigured settings on our phone affects some functionalities. This could be the issue on why your iPhone 12 is having problems with the notification system. Performing a reset on all settings will only revert those manually configured settings to their default values and options to their default values, but will not affect your personal information. From the home screen, tap Settings. Tap General. Scroll down to and then select Reset. Tap the Reset All Settings option. Enter your device passcode once prompted. Then tap to confirm all settings reset. Once the Reset All Settings procedure has been completed, make sure that your phone is in silent mode and the ringer and alerts volume has been set to 0 before checking if the issue has been resolved. I hope this troubleshooting guide has been helpful. Please subscribe to our channel and enable notification. Thanks for watching.